Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 are two of the most popular productivity suites, but which one is better for you? Let's compare. Starting with Google Workspace. It's designed with simplicity and collaboration in mind. Tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are cloud-based, making it easy for teams to collaborate in real time. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Gmail and Google Drive, giving you a streamlined experience if you are already in the Google ecosystem. Now, on the other hand, Microsoft 365 brings the power of traditional Office tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These apps are feature-rich and available both online and offline, making them ideal for users who need advanced capabilities or prefer desktop applications. When it comes to storage, Google Workspace offers 30 gigabytes per user on the basic plan, while Microsoft 365's business plan includes 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage per user. If storage is a priority, Microsoft has the edge. Now let's talk pricing. Both platforms offer competitive pricing tiers, but Google Workspace is slightly more affordable for small teams. Microsoft 365's plans are pricier, but come packed with more advanced features, including desktop apps and tighter integration with Windows. For collaboration, Google Workspace shines with its intuitive, real-time editing and sharing capabilities. However, Microsoft has stepped up its game with tools like Teams for communication and OneDrive for seamless file sharing. Now, the deciding factor often comes down to what you value most. If you prioritize simplicity, collaboration, and affordability, Google Workspace is a great choice. But if you need advanced features, offline access, and deep integration with the desktop tools, Microsoft 365 is hard to beat. Ultimately, both platforms are excellent, but your choice should depend on your specific needs and how you work. So which one is better? That's up to you to decide.